Jasmine, check this out. Look. We will mix the cards face down, face up, face down, face up, face down, face up. Speed things up here. Look. So now we have face up, face down, face up, face down. Okay. Now if I just cut the cards like this, 1, 2, and 3, then I get to the first ace. I can also just give a quick cut like that to get to the second ace. The third ace is a bit difficult because I will have to deal from the center of the deck. It looks something like this. See? The third ace. Remember that the cards were shuffled face up, face down, face up, right? Now, I will just cast a shadow over it. And every single card turns the same way, except for one card. The last and final ace.
What?
Do you want to know the secret?
Yes.
It's easy, actually. Because these 4 aces, they are marks. They have marks on the back. You might not be able to see the marks, but I think it's easier if I show you the rest of the cards. Look.
Wait, what? Huh?